Well. Trip ko na naman ngayon ang kumain ng ice cream dahil nagka-cancel na naman ang diet dahil ice cream, chocolate, inside is ubi. At syempre, tingnan nyo, Magnum yan or ano ba? Comment down below, ano sa tingin nyo? Isa ba siyang Magnum or something like original or something like manual? Ay, sana, manual ba? Sa tawag na what you call that one? Like natural or manual or special? Special ice cream or what you call that one? Tingnan nyo. Please judge the ice cream, guys. Comment down below kung anong ice cream siya, guys. I mean ordinary or special or magnum or very special. It's an ordinary or something because meron siyang ubi, guys, o sa ilawom, guys. May ubi siya sa inside. Ano ba? Inside sa loob. Meron siyang ubi sa loob, guys. So very yummy, guys. Ice cream is very yummy at very delicious. Ice cream is very yummy. Do you know that one? Because ice cream, you know, the diet is cancelled when the ice cream is already here in my feet. I mean in my mouth. Okay, in my mouth. So very delicious in my mouth to the ice cream inside, you know? Don't worry, my English is not good and it's not poor about the English speaking. Please speak English when you comment down below, guys, because you know, my foreigner fans or my foreigner followers will comment down below because they say they can't understand my vlog, they can't understand because I always speak Tagalog. So I want to speak English now for the English. This time is the version of ice cream English version, you know? What you call that one? The ice cream is speaking English of the version of me. It is my own version of ice cream English, you know? Kaya wag na i-judge yung pag-English ko, guys, dahil nararatol ako, guys, wala gubos aware ako dahil hindi ako ganun, guys. Kaya you know, do you know what I mean? Naintindihan niyo mo ko, guys, basta you know, masarap yung ice cream, guys. At syempre, ilibre niyo naman ako ng ice cream, sa susunod dahil tingnan niyo, hindi pa kayo naglalaway, sobrang sarap ng ice cream, tingnan niyo, naubos ko na nga, di ba? Tingnan niyo. At saka wag niyo pansinin yung bugas ko sa mukha ko dun sa ilong ko, guys. Ano yung bugas, ha? Hindi ko alam. Scars yun sa Tagalog. Oh, hindi, English. Scars is like bugas. In Tagalog, I don't know. Ano ba tawag yun sa Tagalog? Comment down below dahil hindi ko alam. Basta scars yan sa English. Scars or acne ba yan? Acne, basta sa Bisaya, guys. Bugas yan, bugas. Okay, sa Bisaya pero sa Tagalog hindi ko alam. Comment down below. Turuan niyo naman ako, guys, ano yung Bisaya, ano yung Tagalog ng bugas dahil bugas sa Bisaya ay yun sa ilong ko diyan. Oh, scars. Tingnan niyo. Hindi yan bugas katong malungag, ha, yung bugas talaga yung scars. Kaya naman, thank you for watching, guys. See you in my next vlog.